Hello everybody, we're coming to you live from Bin Xe Nga Thu Ga. This is the bus station, which means the chicken crossroads. This is where the chicken literally crossed the road.
Hoài em ơi, màu áo phong sương mình ước nguyện.
Hello everybody, Black Travel Man here, coming to you live from Dom Nai, Nam Cat Tien National Park. We're here on the river and we're taking a little boat ride. Here on the river, taking a little boat ride early in the morning, chilling, middle of the national park, Nam Cat Tien, 4 hours from Saigon. Xin chào. On the middle of the bridge, in the middle of the lake, in the middle of the river, in the middle of the jungle, in the middle of Vietnam. Hello everybody, coming to you live from Dom Nai province at Nam Cat Tien National Forest Reserve. We're here on the agricultural land where they're growing many types of vegetables and fruits. Very peaceful, quiet, extremely fresh. Hello everybody, coming to you live from the middle of the national park. We're here inside a very large and old tree. To you live from the inside of a tree. These are the roots all around me, coming in many different directions. This is pretty wild. Coming to you live from the middle of the jungle. We're about to go visit the reddish wood tree. Not redwood tree. Reddish wood tree. Hello everybody, coming to you live from the reddish wood tree. Feeling very blessed to be able to sit down and rest for a moment beneath its shade. Gracious for the support and organic abundance. I'm Jacob Brister. Welcome to Vietnam. Oh. We're here at the river's edge, and one thing I recommend is getting the mountain bike when you come inside so that you can go down the little trails that are off the beaten path. Coming to you live from underneath this big, huge, dark, twisted tree. Coming to you live from Sunset on the bike ride. There's a lot of little mosquitoes in the air.